Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making avocado toast. So one avocado, we just cut through the middle and just slice around the avocado, twist it, and there you have it. We have perfectly ripe avocados here. To remove the pit, just stick a knife and twist. That's how easy it is. I have a little tip for you to remove the skin perfectly and smoothly. So just on both the ends of the avocado, just cut off a little piece like this and gently remove the skin like so. Perfect and short way to remove the skin of an avocado. They say we eat with our eyes first, so why not be a little fancy and make a avocado roast? It's very simple. Just cut thin slices of avocado like so. So all you need to do now is line them up and separate like this. So now we have all the layers separated. Just gently curve it, and there we have it. With just a little effort, a pretty little avocado roast. Let's put it all together. I have a warm toasted sourdough here. We'll gently pick this up with the help of a knife and place it on a warm toast. Sprinkle with a little pepper, salt, and of course we need our red chili flakes and a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And we finish this beautifully with an egg of your choice. So the next toast is going to be a classic Aussie cafe style Avo on toast. For that, we'll start with a nice toasted sourdough. Just going to scoop out the flesh. Just gently, with the help of a fork, I'm going to smash it on my toast. So we need the chunky bits and some of the smashed bits too. Sprinkle of salt, pepper. We're not done yet. We need some assorted tomatoes. So nice assorted colors, yellow, red, and the darker one. There's no particular way to cut it, however you want. Chunky little bits. That is all the tomato we need. So just a handful of rocket leaf. So a little squeeze of lemon. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. Mix this all up together. Oh, and we need some thinly sliced onion. Just mix it all up and now place it on your toast. So place it on a nice plate. Some crumbled feta. And finally, a drizzle of our extra virgin olive oil. And that's a beautiful classic Aussie cafe style Smashed Avo. Try my healthy and delicious avocado on toast, and do let me know in the comments how you enjoy eating your avocado on toast. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.